Find a point 3 mm away from the air vent, and peel off the adhesive tape. Apply the tape along the entire length of the air vent. Press firmly to secure. Remove the door seal trim panel. Remove the clips. Take off the scuff plate trim. Remove the clips, locate the two connector ports. Connect directly to our interface. Power on for testing. Tidy the wires for a cleaner look. Reassemble everything by following the steps in reverse order. You can watch the installation video frame by frame if needed. Just follow the steps, you can do it.